It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and here we are at this weatherboard home in Northcote that has had a little bit of time between previous coats of paint, and as you can see, some of the weatherboards are a little bit rotten, some of them are quite flaky and need sanding and the paint removed. And after spending some time restoring and repairing all the faulty weatherboards and applying 2 coats of paint on all surfaces, you can see what amazing transformation has happened on this weatherboard home in Northcote. If you're looking for house painters in Northcote and you've got some weatherboards that also need repairs, please do call Melbourne City Maintenance on 0403 162 374. And as I take you around this after video of the result, you can get a great idea of what a transformation is possible and how to go about getting your place looking fresh again, protected from the weather, and ensuring that your weatherboards, which are keeping the weather out of your home, are in good condition. Now, this kind of job can be done in winter or summer, so feel free to give us a call at any time and we will attend to painting the exterior. All the weatherboards, the windows, and all the fascias and the eaves will be sanded, prepared, and 2 coats of exterior low sheen in any premium product that you prefer will be used to make your place look amazing. This wall was previously painted pink and it's now a nice subtle surf mist colour bond. Please do feel free to call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance on 0403 162 374 for your obligation free quote.